These two are linear pair. Are they two linear pair? No. Why? What is the reason? So these two angles are not adjacent angles. అంటే adjacent means పక్క పక్కన ఉండాలన్నమాట. దీని పక్కన అది జాయింటింగ్ లో ఉండాలి. రెండు కూడా జాయిన్ అయ్యి ఉంటేనే వాటిని లీనియర్ పేర్ ఆఫ్ యాంగిల్స్ అంటారు. లీనియర్ పేర్ ఆఫ్ యాంగిల్స్. సో దీస్ టూ ఆర్ ఆపోజిట్ యాంగిల్స్. See this. ఈ యాంగిల్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటే దిస్ ఇస్ ద adjacent angles. Here also it is the adjacent angle, but it is ఒకదానికొకటి ఆపోజిట్ లో ఉన్నాయి, ఒకదానికొకటి అటాచ్మెంట్ లో ఉంటే these two angles are joined to each other, then that angles are called adjacent angles. But ఇక్కడ మనకి జాయింట్ లో లేవు. That's the reason these two angles are not a linear pair of angles. Therefore Niharika took taken two angles are not linear pair. Not a linear pair. Are you clear this? Angles. Vertical opposite angles means two angles formed to two intersecting lines. But they do not having the common arm. కామన్ ఆర్మ్ అనేది ఉండదు అనమాట. కామన్ ఆర్మ్ ఉంటే ఏమవుతుంది? దట్ టూ యాంగిల్స్ ఆర్ అడ్జసెంట్ యాంగిల్స్. ఆ రెండు కూడా ఏమంటారు? అడ్జసెంట్ యాంగిల్స్ అంటారు. తెలుగులో ఆసన్న భుజాలు, ఆసన్న కోణాలు అంటారు. Intersecting lines, no common arm. No common arm is there means that are adjacent angles. Common arm లేకపోతే no common arm, then they are called vertically opposite angles. Common arm అంటే for example see this. I am drawing one angle here. One more angle I am drawing here means these two are adjacent angles. ఆసన్న భుజాలు. కానీ but this angle is I am drawing one more angle here. See this. These two angles are not joining. రెండు కూడా జాయిన్ కావట్లేదు. అంటే these two are not having the common arm. రెండిటి కూడా కామన్ ఆర్మ్ అనేది లేదు. ఒకదాని పక్కన ఇంకోటి జాయిన్ అయ్యి వస్తే దాన్ని అడ్జసెంట్ యాంగిల్స్ అన్నారు. ఇట్లా జాయిన్ కాకుండా ఉంటే వాటిని ఏమంటున్నామంటే వర్టికల్లీ ఆపోజిట్ యాంగిల్స్ అంటారు. ఎదుటి భుజాల కోణాలు, ఎదుటి కోణాలు. ఓకేనా? BOD and AOC are vertically opposite angles. This is one paper. This is a paper. You fold like this diagonals లో fold చేయండి. ఓకేనా? Again you fold once again. Half here దాంట్లో. How many lines are formed here? It is a one line and it is also one of the line. It is the intersecting point. Middle one is the intersecting point. And observe this and keep some name of this lines AB and this is the CD. Then observe the textbook లో ఉన్నట్టే వస్తుంది చూడండి. See this. These two are opposite angles. ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఈ మిడిల్ లో this is and this is the common, not having the common arm. So these two are opposite angles. Once you rotate this one like this, so it is a adjacent angles means it is a supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degrees. చూడండి one straight line వస్తుంది. It becomes a one straight line and this straight line 180 degrees and this 180 degrees becomes linear pair of angles. Why? Because these two are having the common arm. These two angles are having the common arm here, and like this means it is not having the common arm. So like this it is a opposite angles, vertical opposite angles. Like this means it is a adjacent angles. ఒకదాని ఒక జాయిన్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? adjacent angles అవుతుంది. Are you clear? Which are the opposite angles in this? AOD. Okay. COB. Therefore, AOD and COB. And increment AOC BOD. AOC vertically opposite angle. So first question in this figure is given, so you can write the vertically opposite angle. So AOD సేమ్ యాంగిల్ ఇక్కడ ఉండాలి, వర్టికల్లీ ఆపోజిట్ యాంగిల్ అంటే సేమ్ ఇది ఎంత ఉందో ఇది కూడా అంతే ఉండాలి. సిఓబి దెన్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఏఓసి ఈ యాంగిల్ తీసుకుంటే దీనికి వర్టికల్ ఆపోజిట్ యాంగిల్ అనేది డిఓబిగా వచ్చేస్తుంది. యూనో సమ్ మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ థింకింగ్ డిఓఈ and AOC, but these two are not vertical opposite angle. Why? Because it is the obtuse angle. ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, it is the obtuse angle అంటే above 90 లో ఉంది, ఇది చూడండి below 90 లో ఉంది. How it is? There is no possibility. So that's the reason DOB, otherwise BOD. ఎలా తీసుకున్నా ఒకటి. Clear that? One figure is given. Find this figure 2. How to find out the value of x, y, z. X, y, z values ne find out here. So observe this. Y is equal to y 160. Y is equal to 160. Why? Vertically opposite angles that are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Why? These two are not having the common arm. Y 160 తీసుకుంటే these two are not having the common arm. Okay na? Then again it is x is equal to z. Why? Because it is once observe this. లేదంటే ఇలా చేద్దాం these two. So angle plus angle y, angle plus angle y is equal to 180 degrees. So what is the result? Pair of linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Linear pair of straight line. That's the reason it is a 180 degrees. Already you have y value. Y is equal to what? 160. Substitute here. 160 is equal to 180 degrees. Send this to 160 there. X is equal to 180 minus 160. Then x is equal to 20 degrees only. Okay now, x is equal to 20. Then see this, x is opposite line with z only. Therefore, x is equal to z is equal to 20 degrees. Why? Because vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, now you can write it simple, very simply. X is equal to 20, z is equal to y is equal to 160 and z is equal to 20 degrees. Are you clear this? Triangle. First it is a straight line. What's observe this? This line is a straight line. What is the meaning of straight line? If it is a straight line means containing that straight line, how many degrees now? 180 degrees. Straight line always having the 180 degrees. 180 degrees ఉంటుంది straight line. Okay. Already learned types of angles. Zero angle. 0 to 90 means acute angle, and exactly 90 is there means that is the right angle, and 90 above is there below 180 means that is obtuse angle. Exactly 180 degrees are there means that is straight angle. So it is a straight angle. So 75 degrees. The value of x here. So remaining x, y and z. We have to find out the x, y, z values. So x value are getting here. Then what is the value of y means? It is the observance, it is the interior angle and it is the exterior angle. Interior angle and exterior angle. So one interior, one exterior means that is corresponding angles. So y is equal to directly you can write 75 degrees. Like that there also one interior and one exterior. So it is also corresponding angles. So directly we can write z is equal to 45 degrees. Why? Because these two are corresponding angles. Are you clear? Are you clear now? It is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four sides. Four sides closed curved figure having the four sides, four angles means that is the quadrilateral. A closed curved figure having the four sides, four angles, four vertices are there means simply known as a quadrilateral. Quadrilaters are some types of there. That is a square, is there, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, so many there. Okay, no? It is a one of the, that is a parallelogram. So again once observe here, it is also straight line. On a previous లో చేసినట్టుగానే ఇది కూడా straight line. So it is a straight line means AB is a straight line. AB is straight angle. So AB is a line segment. AB line segment is a straight line. Then 50 plus B is equal to 180 degrees. Straight angle అంటే 180 degrees ఉంటుంది. ఈ two angles 180 degrees వస్తుంది. So all variables are one side, numerical values are one side. So B is equal to 180 minus 50 is it 130 degrees. Okay, like that. It is 130 means see this. It is a vertical opposite angles. B is equal to D also. Here B is equal to D. So what is the B? That is 130 and B is equal to 130 degrees. It is also same. And like this, it is a 50. It is also C. C also 50. Angle A, small a is equal to small c, that is 50 degrees. Why? Because vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Otherwise, vertically opposite angles. Otherwise, you will do this two also. You are getting here 130 degrees. Again, you take it is also straight line BC. Then you can add this two is equal to 180 degrees. 130 plus C is equal to 180 degrees. 130 minus 180 minus 130 is equal to, you are getting the same 50. You can write like this, otherwise like this. Both are similar. Are you clear? Exercise 7th, 5th problem. In this, it is also straight line and it is also straight line. So transversal now. Once you see the definition part of transversal, you draw any two lines. That two lines are intersected to the another line at two distant points. Okay now, that are two distant points. So ఈ two lines ని ఇంకొక రే అనేది ఇంకొక లైన్ అనేది ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని ట్రాన్స్వర్సల్ లైన్స్ అంటారు. In that transversal lines, these two are exterior angles. These two are exterior angles. So it is a straight line and proof here. Just you take the straight line. So in this P, angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Which you prove చేస్తారు 180 degrees అవసరం. Angle Q is equal to how much? 100 plus it is a 80. So completely it is a 180 degrees. So it is a straight line. Straight angle. So therefore L is equal to parallel to M అన్నమాట. ఇది 180 degrees ఉంటుంది, ఇది కూడా 180 degrees ఉంటుంది. That's the reason these two are a straight line. So L is parallel to M. Otherwise it is a straight line. It is a 100 means it is a 80 and it is a 80 means it is 100. So whatever it is also 180 degrees. It is also 180 degrees. Then these two lines are 180 and 180. Then these two lines are parallel. So it is the parallel. Are you clear? 7th, 6th question is given like this. Arrows are given. From these arrows, it is the, see this, these two are equal. A is equal to 50 here and B is equal to also 50. So it is 50 means it is also 50. It is 50 means it is also 50. It is 50 means it is also 50 and it is also 50 అవుతుంది. ఆటోమేటిక్ గా అన్ని కూడా 50 నేనా? ఎందుకంటే what is the reason? That are
it is parallel.
No, yes. Okay? Supplementary angles. This is also supplementary, this is also supplementary. So 180 degrees and 180 degrees. పైది 180 degrees ఉంటుంది, కిందది కూడా 180 degrees ఉంటుంది. అంటే that two lines are Supplementary means both are 180 degrees. Then that are supplementary angles. In this figure, observe this all angles. Once understood all the angles. What is the first question? Angle 1 is equal to 80. What is the angle 2? Angle 1, it is the 80 degrees. Then it is a straight line. It is a straight line. So, straight line is equal to 180 degrees. Then, ఇక్కడ 80 ఉందంటే ఇక్కడ 100 ఉండాలి. 180 కదా. 180 degrees. Then, it is 80 means it is 100. Totally 180 degrees. So, angle 2 is equal to 100 degrees. Then, angle 3 is equal to 45. What is angle of 7? Angle 3 is equal to 45. Angle 3 is equal to 45 degrees. Then what is the angle 7? 7? Both are equal. Why? Because these are alternative interior angles. Alternative interior angles. Next. Angle 2 is equal to 90. Angle 2 is equal to 90. Angle 8 is equal to how much? Vertical opposite angles are 90. That is also 90. Why? Because vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Next, angle 4 is equal to 100. Then angle 8 is equal to. Angle 4 is equal to 100. The 100 outside. Angle 8 is equal to. That is also 100. Are you clear this? Question. Figure is given that angle line L is parallel to line segment of BC. It is parallel to BG. Given L is parallel symbol this is and BC. L is parallel to BC. Then have to find out the x is equal to how much, y is equal to how much, and z is equal to how much. Then have to find out the values of x, y, z. Then, see, once you observe this, it is a straight line. It is a straight line. So, straight line how much? No, 180 degrees. So, in this, 3 angles are there. Add that 3 angles is equal to 180 degrees. Our 3 angles మనకి ఎంత రావాలి? 180 degrees రావాలి. So, how many angles are there? 75 plus x plus 45 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Then how much this to? 120 x plus 120 is equal to 180 degrees. And third chapter simple equations లో ఆల్రెడీ చేశారు. వేరియబుల్స్ అన్ని ఒక సైడ్ ఉండాలి, న్యూమరికల్ వాల్యూస్ అన్ని ఇంకొక సైడ్ లో ఉండాలి. సో x is equal to 180 and this is numerical values you are assuming here. So it is 120 degrees. So x is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degrees. So you are getting the answer of x. Then you want to x, y and z also. How to get the y? See this. It is the corresponding angles. One is interior, another one is exterior. So angle y is equal to 75 degrees and z is equal to 45 degrees. Why? Because corresponding angles. Are you clear?